To export your Debank assets list, start by logging into your Debank account and navigating to the dashboard. Debank is a popular platform for tracking and managing cryptocurrency assets, and exporting your assets list can be useful for tax purposes, record keeping, or transferring data to another platform. First, click on the Assets tab, which is typically located at the top of the dashboard. This will take you to a page that displays all of your connected wallets and the assets they hold. Make sure all of your wallets are connected and synced to ensure an accurate export. Next, look for the Export option, which is usually represented by a download icon or a button that says Export. Click on this button to initiate the export process. You may be given the option to choose which wallets to export, or to export all of them at once. Select the option that best suits your needs. Debank will then generate a CSV file that contains a list of all your assets, including their names, symbols, quantities, and values. This file can be opened in any spreadsheet software, such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, and can be used to track your assets, calculate taxes, or perform other types of analysis. It is a good practice to export your assets list regularly, such as at the end of each month or quarter, to keep your records up to date and to track changes in your portfolio over time. You should also make sure to store your exported files in a secure location, such as an encrypted cloud storage service, to protect your sensitive financial data. In addition to exporting your assets list, Debank also provides other useful features, such as portfolio tracking, price alerts, and transaction history. By taking advantage of these features and regularly exporting your assets list, you can stay on top of your cryptocurrency investments and make informed decisions about your portfolio.